Hello everyone, we are by group 4. Member is Nur Afifa and me, Reski Mila Putri. Okay, now we will presentation about the material is partial demand elasticity production function, namely marginal productivity, Isoquant curve, and economical production areas, and the last marginal level of technical substitution. Okay, the first material about marginal productivity. So, what is marginal productivity? Marginal productivity is defined as the rate of change in total output as a result of the rate of change of one unit of variable input. So, marginal productivity can be obtained from the first derivative of the production function. Okay, the next, mathematically, the marginal productivity of capital can be denoted by, you can see the picture. The explanation is marginal productivity of each input is usually positive over a fairly larger range. That means that if the number of input increase while other inputs are considered constant, the output will increase. When output is added continuously while other inputs are constant, output usually increases at a decreasing rate until a point where there is no additional output. Then marginal productivity becomes zero. So, the difference in marginal productivity is called the law of decreasing marginal productivity or the law of decreasing yields. Okay, the next about Isoquant curve and economical production areas. Isoquant curve and economical production areas. An isoquant curve shows various combination of two kinds of input, namely labor and capital input, which can be used by firm to produce a certain level of output. The isoquant curve can also be obtained algebraically from the production function K equal Fk.L, where the value of K is a constant or a certain value can be changed. If several slides are made on the production surface parallel to the KL plane, several isoquant curves will be obtained or often refer to as the set of isoquant curves. As you can see the curve. To produce data often require more labor, capital outputs, so geometrically, an isoquant that is closer to the origin, 0.0, will produce a smaller output. On the other hand, an isoquant that is closer to the origin point will produce a larger output.
Okay, the next material is the characteristic of isoquant curve. The characteristic of isoquant curve do not interest one another, and in economic theory there are infinitely many isoquant curves in the production plant. And the second, isoquant curve is a smooth curve that is convex to the origin 0.0. And last, isoquant curve has the slope of the tangents which is possible 0 and negative. Next is economical production. You can see the graph for economical production. We can assume for the graph, when the economic portion of the production areas has between the boundary OABC and OABC where the slope of tangents to the isoquant is negative, it's referred to stage of the foundation for labor and capital, where the MPL and MPK are positive but decreasing. Okay, the next material is marginal level of technical substitution. Next, the definition of marginal level of technical substitution, or MRTS, is the comparison between MPL and MPK. So, the MRTS is a condition in which a company can replace one unit of labor with another unit of input to get the same level of output. Besides this, you can see the equation for MRTS. Okay, next we can see the equation same like the before slide equation. So here we remember that alpha on an isoquant curve refer to the same level of output. This means that if one move from one point to another, the level of output does not change, or dq is 0 because dq 0 the equation becomes. So it is the evidence that the equations are the same. Thank you.
Okay, just it we are presentation and see you next.